Okay, one of the themes that we've been thinking about when we've been looking at solid geometry and solid geometric shapes is the impact when we change a linear dimension by scaling it some amount and seeing the impact on the volume. Let's see what happens with a sphere. So remember that the volume for a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. What I want to do is I want us to compute the volume of this sphere, and then I want us to imagine taking this balloon or ball and inflating it so that the radius will actually double, go from 15 to 30. And I want to see the impact on the volume. So first, let's compute the volume as is. 4/3 pi times r cubed, which is 15 cubed. And the units there are meters cubed. You can plug 15 cubed into a calculator and simplify that, but that's not what I'm interested in. I'm not going to do that. So there's the answer. What I want to do is I want to compare that to what happens when we actually take this and double it. So we're going to expand it like a big balloon. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this and I'm going to multiply this by 2. So it becomes 30. So we have 30 meters. And I now want to compute the new volume. 4/3 pi. Instead of writing in 30, I'm going to write it this way as 2 times 15, all cubed. Well, what does that work out to be? Well, 2 cubed is 8, and 15 cubed is 15 cubed, and so I see 8 times the rest. And look at the rest. The rest is precisely the previous volume. Do you see that? And so to compute the new volume, we take the old volume and multiply by 8. What's going on here? Well, what's going on is the fact that if we scale one linear dimension by multiplying by 2, since we're computing volume, which involves a cube, we'll take a 2 times a 2 times a 2 in the 3 different directions. We multiply them together, that yields 8, right? 2 cubed. So in fact, when you change a linear dimension here on the sphere, changing the radius by a factor of 2, the volume changes by a factor of 8. Again, we see this recurring theme happening again and again and again and again. Really neat.